loves, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Wanted to show you what I got for my Mary Maxim quarterly Afghan kit club. This is for the 4th quarter and I think it was a pretty good deal. So I wanted to say hi and welcome to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for coming here. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. And also, hi and welcome to my members. Thanks so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. So on to the goodies. So this is again also going to be a nice short sweet video. I'm trying to catch up on these, so I'm going to make them shorter and try to release a few. I still have a bunch of other stuff I want to film for you guys, and I'm still really tired because I get really tired easily, so I don't want to like do a super long video. Anyways, videos. So this is what they sent. That's the pattern. It's pretty. I don't know if it's coming up real well. That's how the square looks. In the back they put a picture. I think the red and the brown, like, they're pretty with the white, but it's like a lot of contrast for the joining yarn, like to makes the join really stick out. And I think I'd rather have the squares themselves, maybe, you know, like that intricate stitch work stick out more. Like, I like the 3 colors, I just don't know that they work the best with this pattern, in my opinion. But it's nice yarn, so it can be used for something else. Or maybe combined differently, you know, like maybe the join might be nicer in the red. But you'd have to just play around with how much, because I'll show you now. The it's 4 skeins of this, 4 cakes of this brown, 2 cakes of this cream color, and then 2 cakes of the red. Oh, let me mention how much it comes out to too, the quarterly club. What I'm paying for it currently, it's $32.99 or $33 for the kit. And then the shipping, they send flat rate USPS mail, so it comes out cheaper, so it comes out the same as the monthly crochet kit club. So it's $4.99 flat rate shipping for this quarterly club for the kit. So it's a subtotal of like $37.98. Then I get charged tax, which is $2.84. So it's like a total of $40.82, which isn't bad for a whole blanket kit plus shipping, because shipping has gone up so much. So the yarn is really nice and soft. It is unlabeled. But what they did in this situation, they included the labels, which is kind of cool, except they're not like on the cakes. But hey, I'd rather get it like this and know what it is than not get it at all. So, you know, maybe, I don't know, they were too busy. They didn't get on, or maybe something happened and the labels weren't right with the cakes or whatever. So they decided to put these for their quarterly Afghan kit club, but there's nothing wrong with the yarn or the labels. So the yarn is Mary Maxim anti-pill worsted weight yarn. I think this is new. I think this is supposed to be similar to what Joann's used to have for an anti-pill yarn, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. The red, this color is called copper, so it's like a reddish brown color. It's really pretty. And they say it's approximately 320 yards. The pattern says the cakes have a different yardage. In the pattern, it says the cakes are 4.9 ounces or 267 yards. So we got bigger cakes and more yarn in the kit than what the pattern calls for. So here, yeah, the label says approximately 320 yards or 292 meters. 100% anti-pilling acrylic yarn. Again, I said it's really nice and soft, and that's very cool that it's anti-pilling. Care instructions: machine wash in warm water, tumble dry low, do not iron, do not dry clean, do not bleach. And it's categorized as a number 4 weight yarn. They recommend US 8 size 5mm knitting needles or a H8 5mm crochet hook, and I could actually read that. And it's made in Turkey. So that's what I just read to you guys. That's the label info. Sorry, it's a little hard to read with the glare. There we go. The cream colored is called Cream. And the brownish color is called Bark. So that's that one. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 labels. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cakes. This is what the cream color looks like. Very pretty. That's with the copper. And then this is the bark color. A really pretty brown. So that's what they look together. I mean, maybe it's just that picture. I mean, maybe the squares look fine, sorry, on their own, you know, with, I still think that, you know, the difference of the value, like these are kind of close in value, which is like the intensity of like how dark or light the color is. And then this is like really light. So maybe if there was like a medium in between would be nice. Anyways, but hey, you can create this however you want, or I can use the yarn for something else. So I'll show you guys whatever whenever I do use it. I have so many projects to do. I don't know when I'll get to it, but it is really, you know, like it's really nice and soft, and that's about how thick it is. Now let me talk to you about the pattern. Let's see. So this is really cool. They put the picture of the square up close. There you go. There you go. And then that's how the blanket looks again. It doesn't really say the, whoops, I was about to fall. It doesn't really say like what level it is. Oh, and then they have a picture here of the square closer up, which is pretty. You see, like I like that color combination. That's pretty nice. I still don't know that I would use like the cream or the white like that for the join for the border. Yeah, and they recommend using a size J 10 or 6mm hook for the pattern. And it makes 42 squares. It has post stitches in there, so I would think maybe sort of like a medium intermediate level. Not a complete beginner, but advanced beginner could probably do it too. So, anyways, I hope you like it. That's what I got for this month for the last quarter. How very exciting. Oh, and the finished size they said is 45 by 53 inches. But I think if we had more yarn and we made more squares, it would be bigger. So, because here they're saying it's 4.9 ounces and 266 yards in the pattern, which is 140 grams or 244 meters per ball. And then they're saying it's 4 balls of bark or taupe colored. Yeah, you see, I think this is taupe. And then copper or spa color, which is, I guess, that bluish green, and then cream or white. You see where I think this would have been better with the cream and the spa and the taupe. So, okay, that's my 2 cents. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And take care. Thanks. Bye.